Hi home cooks! Today I'm in the kitchen making freezer-friendly breakfast sandwiches. Make your mornings a whole lot easier. Freezer sandwiches are the perfect solution to busy weekday mornings. Make a batch once, freeze them, and reheat them for a warm, satisfying breakfast anytime. Future you is going to be grateful after making this recipe. This easy morning meal is packed with soft scrambled eggs, Swiss cheese, and deli-ham. It's quick and easy to make with simple ingredients, and you can customize it to suit everyone's taste. This freezer meal prep always stays fresh, flavorful, and ready to serve when you need them. So let's get into the kitchen. This is how I make freezer breakfast sandwiches. To start this recipe, I'm going to make sheet pan scrambled eggs. Into a large bowl, crack 8 eggs. I'm using a large glass measuring cup here, just to make it easier to pour it later on. To the eggs, I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of milk and whisk it well to incorporate the 2 ingredients together. I'm going to season this with a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of pepper, but you can add more or less depending on how you like your eggs. Whisk this again until really smooth and creamy. Now to easily cook this big batch of scrambled eggs, I'm going to use a sheet pan lined with parchment paper. Pour your egg mixture gently over top. And it's ready to go into my 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius oven and bake for 15 minutes. And while it's baking, I'm going to get the rest of the ingredients ready. Slice, toast, and butter 8 English muffins. On one side of the muffin house, I'm going to layer the Swiss cheese. On top of that, layer some deli ham. Then I'm going to cut the eggs into 8 equal portions. Layer 1 on top of the ham, and then finish it off with another layer of cheese. I'm going to let my sandwiches cool to room temperature. Then to get these ready for the freezer, I'm going to wrap each one individually in foil, parchment paper, or plastic wrap depending on how you'd like to reheat them. For easy storage, place all the wrapped sandwiches into a freezer bag. Make sure to label them with the date and what type of sandwiches they are. Then they're ready to store in the freezer for up to 2 months. When you're ready to enjoy your sandwiches, you can either remove them from the freezer the night before and let them defrost in the fridge, then in the morning unwrap your sandwich, and for the quickest reheat, pop them into the microwave and reheat them for 60 to 90 seconds. But you can also cook these right from frozen. Leave them wrapped in the foil and place them in a preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius oven and let them reheat for 20 to 25 minutes. You can also reheat these in an air fryer for about 8 to 10 minutes. Just make sure to turn them about halfway through for even heating. These are perfect for school mornings or grab-and-go breakfasts on your way to work. Now you can skip the drive-thru and make your own quick and easy warm breakfast right at home. And as always, you can find a link to the full written recipe in the description box below. Enjoy! If you're a fan of deliciously simple vintage recipes and old-fashioned skills, then you'll want to check out this next video. Thanks for stopping by.